Okay, who's ready for another unboxing? Woo! So here is the miniature that we're going to be unboxing. So this came from Hobby Lobby. It's only $16.99, which I found this exact kit on Amazon and it's like 20 bucks. So Hobby Lobby does have the best price for this. And so it has the Your Price sticker for $16.99, so you can't use the Hobby Lobby coupon apparently, but that's still a really good price for this kit, and it's a great starter kit. So I've only completed one miniature dollhouse, and it was one of those gigantic ones, and they're so much fun. So the scale of this is 1/24, so it's really small. And so yeah, here's the outside of the box. Woo! And so it says it comes with the unassembled house, unassembled furniture. Oh, so this one comes with white glue and alcohol glue, and scissors, knife, ruler, screwdriver, tweezers, instructions. Well, I sure would hope instructions were included, but the last kit that I did not include the glues and stuff. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. It has this little tab right here. We're just gonna carefully pull out, and I'm not going to embarrass myself today. Okay, see, that wasn't so bad. Nailed it. Oh gosh, don't break it. Okay. So everything looks nice and in there. I'm just gonna pull everything out. This looks like the bag of materials. Of course, it's labeled right here. Then little pieces of stuff. It looks like a little lime or something in there. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, and we have another bag. This looks like the wooden pieces. And again, the bags are, well, they should be clearly labeled. Oh, see, this one is just a giant bag, but it contains smaller bags. And so each bag is labeled, like this one's labeled B, there's C and E. So those will make more sense when we look at the instructions. And then this looks like, what is that? This may be the stuff that you have to cut out. Let me see. Yes, it is. Okay. Nope, this is the wait, I don't know. Okay. Oh, so some of it's instructions. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. What else do we have in here? Okay, so this just looks like more assembly pieces for the actual building itself. Let's see. Oh, okay, cool. What else? I wanted to see the tools. Here we go. Okay, yeah, that's all in the bag. So here's the tools. So here is, so they give you 0.67 fluid ounces. This looks like the white glue. I'm assuming what you use to glue the little tiny pieces together and whatnot. And this is the alcohol clear glue, still 0.67 fluid ounces. So I'm assuming the instructions are going to tell us what glue to use on what, but I do love how it has this pointy edge here. Because just from experience, miniatures are much harder to put together when you don't have this pointy fine edge for your glue. So I do like that. I'm trying to see if I squeeze it. Okay, good. So the glue does not feel dried up or anything. Yep, that one feels good too. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back in the box. And this is just another wooden piece. Okay, let's check this out. Like I said, I did the larger miniature kit, and it did not come with tools, so that's pretty exciting. I mean, it didn't come with the glue either, but, you know, the glue that I used on that one, which I, like, fell in love with, is this 3-in-1. Thanos, why are you barking? Zip it, Linda. But I'm going to try the glue that it comes with for this kit. I'm so sorry, my dog's randomly barking at something. Stop it. No. Sorry about that. Thanos was throwing a fit about something. Okay, so it looks like it's a ruler. It's laminated. You have both. Oh, they're just centimeters. Cool. So you're gonna measure it this way or this way. Oh, that's so fancy. Okay. So they also give you some scissors, but these look a little a little cheap and dull for my taste. So we may or may not use that. Ooh, they give you a screwdriver. With the last one, it took me like an hour and a half to find a small screwdriver like this. Oh my gosh, so that's pretty cool. Now, if you're a diamond painter, I'm sure you have a bazillion of these, right? So that's cool. They sent that for you. And this is really neat. What is this, like a box cutter? Oh, did I just break it? What? I don't know. Oh, you do it this way. I see. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, Crashley doesn't really mess with box cutters or anything. Okay, so yeah, they give you this cool box cutter. Don't know what we'll use that for, but whew, is it sharp. Let's just put that away. Whew. Okay, so I love that they sent the tools. So I'm just going to put these back in the box here. And in case you want another closer look at the individual bags, so this one's the same thing. It has one larger bag, but inside has the smaller labeled bags. Okay, which again will make sense when we look at the instructions. So yeah, this one just has the individual little things. Let's just see. This is like usually for like roofs and stuff. Looks like it has this foam piece, some cardstock, and then some material. And I try to like not take things apart here. Okay, so this is the little knick-knack bag I call. This one is J. So you have that little piece of lime in there. Looks like maybe some flower pots. What is this? Oh, it's a little coffee cup. Aw, that's cute. These are probably lampshades. I don't know. So that's neat. So this one I don't want to open because there's lots of tiny things in here. So this is usually like just from the last one. This is where you put the plants together. And then what is that? Huffing? Oh, it's a battery. They send you a battery, which is cool. The last one didn't come with a battery. So this one actually lights up. Yeah, it comes with little light bulbs. I didn't know it lit up. Interesting. I wonder where it lights up. Oh, maybe in the, I don't know. Oh, the sign. It looks like there's a cord coming from the sign. And then there's a few lights in here somewhere. Looks like there may be one dangling behind. Okay. So, I mean, we'll just see. But I love that they actually sent the battery with it, so that's cool. I'm just going to put these two back in here. Uno momento. Not going to separate the bags. Because learned from experience, keep stuff together. And some people like to do inventory before actually completing it. So like make sure you have all the pieces and the instructions, or that the instructions state, just in case if you're missing anything, you contact the company. Now I personally just don't, because I mean, I'll do it until I can't do it, I guess, if I'm missing anything. So these are just some wooden pieces. And this looks like, I bet this is the kind that you pull. Just want to see here. Yep, it is. See how it's pulling back? And you can see right through it. This is the plexiglass piece. Okay. So I don't see that it comes with a dust cover, which isn't a super big deal. But if after you're done, if you want to display it, you'll want to cover it with something or it will collect dust. Okay, so let's just take a look at these bags really quickly. So these just look like it's very, very small wooden pieces. Just trying to see if anything looks broke. I don't see anything. More little pieces of wood. I wonder if that is, no, that looks good. Okay. It's actually very nicely put together. Nothing looks broke. These painted pieces don't seem all worn or anything. More tiny pieces. Lots of gluing in this one. Those are probably the chairs and stuff. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in the larger bag, and then we'll look at the most important part, which is the instructions. Okay, so here is, these are probably the instructions. Okay, so we'll look through that. Now these, let's see. Oh, I love that. So some of the miniature kits come with these material lists, and some of them do not. This is the material sheet. So this has a list of everything that should be within the kit. So let's see. Yep, still the material list continued, and it gives you the measurement of each. So it has the name of the piece. So like in that D bag, the D2 is going to be this measurement, and I'm pretty sure it's all in centimeters. The instructions should tell us, but that way you know you're using the right piece. So I love that. Now these are the pieces that you actually cut out. So you can see on here, those look like the little boxes for the coffee shop. The backgrounds, looks like a little menu board there. Very nice. Let me see. Oh, flip it over. There we go. Looks like flooring, a little rug. So these are what we're going to have to actually, you know, cut out. So this is another, these are more material lists continued, I see. Okay. These are like the larger pieces, it looks like. So this bag H is the one with all the fabrics and the weird looking stuff. That's all the stuff within the that tiny bag. Like, look, oh, it's a lemon slice. Does that not look like a lime to you? I see green. I don't know. So here's little flowers. What is this? Shape cart of wire bending. Oh, now that's fancy. That was not in the other one either. So like a lot of things you have to like secure with these wires. See, like iron wires, different colors, and the instructions will make you bend them in a certain way. So this looks like an actual, like 6.5 centimeters. So you can just use this as a template. Now that's cool. That would have made that other kit so much easier. Here's more things that we have to cut out. Oh, look at the little, what is that, cookies? Oh, donuts. We're gonna have to cut these out and make little cartons and boxes out of them. That's cool. Let's see. Well, what the heck is this? This looks like the actual measurements of some of the materials. Oh, it just looks like it's more things that we have to cut out. And again, once we actually look at the instructions, all of that will make much more sense. So I'm just gonna put this in here real quick. Toss it to the side. Okay, so here's the actual instruction booklet. So it's called Cuppa Joe. Note, color and styles may vary. Okay. Anything else interesting? Please keep your instructions manual for future inquiries after installation. Okay. Okay. Oh, look, and it has Hobby Lobby Stores ink on it. Oh. Okay. Let's see. So this is talking about the battery box, full instructions, product information, match the numbered lettered components within the manual to the bag numbers material list kit. Use ruler and measurements materials list to ensure that you're using the correct components. Yes, that's very, very important. For all components on the sheet that start with A07, cut out the components. Those are the ones that we have to cut out. Use white glue for wooden pieces. Use the clear glue for metal and plastic pieces. Use white glue or double-sided tape for paper components. Duly noted. Okay. So it has what you do with each piece. You assemble it. Aww. Look at that. That's so cute. It looks pretty clear to me. Yeah. Attach 8 together. There's not a lot of written instructions, but I mean, it looks pretty self-explanatory to me. Attach the print paper. Yeah, I mean, it just has generic little couple words here and there. Oh my gosh, look at this little coffee maker. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. That is so adorable. So it's basically like picture instructions, which I mean, I don't really mind. The last one I did had some written instructions, and I tell you what, it made it more confusing. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how adorable. This is exciting. I'm actually pretty stoked to work on this. Look at the little bag. Does that not look like the Starbucks little emblem thingamajig? The little cakes or sandwiches, whatever the heck that is. Oh, cute. Okay, what else? Outer frame. Oh gosh, I remember that. That was the hardest. You just have to make sure you use the right glue. Like for the frame on the last one, I used actual like Gorilla wood glue because I wanted it to be secure and it kept just falling over. But again, I'm going to try to use the glue that they sent us. That's really cool. The instructions look, like I said, straightforward, not really anything written, but it, you know, has the pictures of each step. So, you know, I can say all I want right here, but I won't know for sure how self-explanatory or how easy it is to follow the little pictures until I actually do it. So, pretty stoked. Like I said, it's a very good beginner kit. So if you have never done a miniature or you've been kind of curious about trying it out, go check out your local Hobby Lobby. There's a ton of them. So yeah, my hubby picked out this one for me. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you've ever tried a miniature or if you plan to do a miniature in the future. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.